Two major alliances, the NDA and the UPA, are contesting the Lok Sabha elections. The NDA is led by the BJP, while the UPA is led by the Congress party. In our next report, let's analyze the strength of both these national alliances back in the 2014 general elections.
First formed in 1998, the National Democratic Alliance, led by the BJP, initially had 13 constituent parties. The NDA ruled from 1999 to 2004, becoming the first coalition government to complete a full 5-year term at the centre. The alliance returned to power in 2014, winning 336 of the 543 Lok Sabha seats. Led by Narendra Modi-led BJP, the alliance of more than 25 parties registered its best performance in the 2014 general election with a vote share of 38.5%. The BJP, that forms the backbone of the NDA, won a staggering 282 seats. Its oldest ally, the Shiv Sena, won 18 seats in Maharashtra that sends 48 members to the Lok Sabha. The Telugu Desam party, which rejoined NDA after a decade, also pulled off a spectacular performance in Andhra Pradesh. It won 16 Lok Sabha seats in 2014. Ramvilas Paswan's Lok Jan Shakti party also staged a return to the NDA after 10 years, taking 6 seats in Bihar. Another old partner of the BJP, the Shiromani Akali Dal, won 4 seats in Punjab. Upendra Kushwaha's Rashtriya Lok Samata party won all the 3 seats it was allotted in Bihar in 2014. Another party, which made its debut in the Lok Sabha in 2014, was Apna Dal. It won 2 seats in alliance with the BJP. The Naga People's Front, also an old NDA ally, won the lone Nagaland seat. Former Lok Sabha Speaker P.A. Sangma won a seat for the National People's Party for a record 9th time. He too was part of the NDA. NDA partner PMK won 1 seat in Tamil Nadu. The Swabhimani Paksh retained 1 seat in Maharashtra, while All India NR Congress also won 1 Lok Sabha seat. Some other NDA constituents like the DMDK, Haryana Janhit Congress, MDMK, IJK, KMDK could not win seats in the 2014 Lok Sabha. Besides, several other parties like RPI, Janasena, United Democratic Front Alliance in Mizoram, the Gorkha Janmukti Morcha, Manipur People's Party, Maharashtravadi Gomantak Party and Kerala Congress Nationalist extended support to the BJP-led NDA alliance in the 2014 general elections.
This country has seen what is called as era of coalitions. The last time such an era of coalition did not happen was, of course, 2014 is the last time when Bharatiya Janata Party got a clear majority in the Lok Sabha. Even though with alliance it crossed almost 300 plus. But by and large, the party decided to go with the alliance partners with whom it was going on. Before that, it was Rajiv Gandhi's time in 1984 when the Congress party got a very, very clear mandate, 400 plus mandate in the Lok Sabha in a house of 543. So since then, we've had coalitions which had been governing the country, barring in 1991 when P.V. Narasimha Rao's Congress party was a minority government. It did not have the clear majority, but the situation and circumstances was so that nobody challenged that government for some time to come, and subsequently the government turned into a majority government.
5 years later, going into the 2019 election, the NDA has lost 2 key partners, the TDP and the RLSP. Both together contributed 19 seats in 2014.
BJP is a single political party which has on its own a simple majority that it has got in 2014, and you have Mr. Narendra Modi as his aura as a political spin, a master or a person who can deliver as a decisive leader is there for everyone to see. In that context, the fight between UPA and BJP is going to be huge.
In contrast, the United Progressive Alliance, led by the Congress, won 59 of 543 Lok Sabha seats in 2014. In 2014, the Congress won just 44 Lok Sabha seats, which was its worst ever performance. National Congress Party, the Maharashtra-based ally of Congress, won 6 seats, while UP-based partner RLD and Tamil Nadu's DMK drew a blank. However, encouraged by the election results in 3 states, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and Rajasthan, the Congress has been in talks with regional parties for a grand alliance against the BJP. Although with no seat-sharing formula or even a leader to project as the prime ministerial candidate, an alliance for the centre seems a distant reality for now. Bureau Report, Rajya Sabha TV.